The findings, published in Annals of Internal Medicine, suggest that asymptomatic infections may account for as much as 45% of all COVID-19 cases, playing a significant role in the early and ongoing spread of COVID-19. The report highlights the need for expansive testing and contact tracing to mitigate the pandemic. The silent spread of the virus makes it all the more challenging to control, says Eric Topol, MD, founder and director of the Scripps Research Translational Institute and professor of molecular medicine at Scripps Research. Our review really highlights the importance of testing. It's clear that with such a high asymptomatic rate, we need to cast a very wide net, otherwise the virus will continue to evade us. Together with behavioral scientist Daniel Oran, Topol collected information from testing studies on 16 diverse cohorts from around the world. What virtually all of them had in common was that a very large proportion of infected individuals had no symptoms, says Oran. The viral loads are very similar in people with or without symptoms, but it remains unclear whether their infectiousness is of the same magnitude. To resolve that issue, we'll need large-scale studies that include sufficient numbers of asymptomatic people. The authors also conclude that the absence of symptoms may not imply an absence of harm. The scientists say further research is needed to confirm the potential significance of this finding. The authors also acknowledge that the lack of longitudinal data makes distinguishing between asymptomatic and presymptomatic individuals difficult. An asymptomatic individual is someone who is infected with SARS-CoV-2, but never develops symptoms of COVID-19, while a presymptomatic person is similarly infected, but will eventually develop symptoms. Longitudinal testing, which refers to repeated testing of individuals over time, would help differentiate between the two. Our estimate of 40 to 45% asymptomatic means that, if you're unlucky enough to get infected, the probability is almost a flip of a coin on whether you're going to have symptoms. So to protect others, we think that wearing a mask makes a lot of sense, Oran concludes. Story source, materials provided by Scripps Research Institute. Note, content may be edited for style and length. Thanks for watching. Do you like my video? Then show me your love by pressing like button. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for new science inventions in future.